The National Student Council is a dynamic assembly of elected and appointed student leaders, hailing from every corner of the United States. Each year, Student Council members are invited to apply for one of the 10 National Student Council officer positions. From those applicants, 4 candidates are selected per officer position to run in a national election, with votes casted by NASC member schools. To participate in the national election, each NASC member school is allotted 1 vote per officer position to cast on behalf of their council. Advisors will meet with their council to review candidate information and collectively determine which candidates they'll be voting for. During the election, Student Council advisors will visit the election portal via the NASC website and cast their school's votes for each officer position. Advisors will receive an email with their login credentials for the election portal the week of the election. Following the voting period, candidates receiving the highest total number of votes for each office will be declared the winners. Runoff elections will be held only in the case of a tied vote. To explore the candidates' profiles and learn more about the election, visit www.natstuco.org.